Good morning, students. I welcome you all for the online session of business studies. Today we will be going to learn the next principle of management by fuel. The next principle is principle of order. Here one figure is given in that four departments are there: department 1, department 2, department 3 and department 4. According to fuel, people and materials must be in suitable places at appropriate time for maximum efficiency. The principle of order states that a place for everything, everyone and everyone in its his her place. Essentially, it means orderliness. If there is a fixed place for everything and it is present there, then there will be no hindrance in the activities of business or factory. This will lead to increased productivity and efficiency. So, according to Fuel, he insists that people and material must be placed in a proper order so that time and money will not be wasted in search of the things and but man. This principle help us a lot to the people to save the time and to save the time, which is very precious thing. As in it main focus is orderliness. If there is a fixed place for everything and is a present there, then there will be no hindrance in the activities of business. So that is the meaning. That is a principle made by Fuel, that is principle of order. Now we will move to the next principle, that is principle of equity. Principle of equity here states that there are different religious people, there are different genders people, there are different nationality people working in the same organization. According to Fuel, this principle emphasizes kindliness and justice in the behavior of managers towards workers. This will ensure loyalty and devotion. Fuel does not rule out use of force sometimes. Rather, he says that lazy personnel should be dealt sternly to send the message that everyone is equal in the eyes of management. There should be no discrimination against anyone on account of gender, religion, language, caste, belief, or nationality, etc. Equal opportunities are available for everyone in such companies to rise. So, according to Fuel, he states that though in the organization different peoples are working of belonging to different caste, religion, language, gender, but the thing is that their way of working must not differ. Their way of working must be like that they will be able together able to achieve the organizational goal. So that is a principle made by the Fuel, that is principle of equity, and it states that every person in the organization must be treated with justice in the behavior of managers towards workers. Equal opportunities are available for everyone in such companies to rise. So that is the principle made by Fuel. The next principle which we move so of Fuel is stability and tenure of personnel. First of all, I want to state the meaning of stability. Stability means stable. Tenure means time period. So here we will be going to learn, according to Fuel, he states that personals should be selected and appointed after due and rigorous procedure, but once selected, they should be kept at their position for a minimum fixed tenure. They should have stability of tenure. They should be given reasonable time to show results. Any advertism in this regard will create instability, insecurity among employees. They would tend to leave the organization. Recruitment, selection, and training cost will be high. So, stability in tenure or personnel is good for the business. So, here, according to Fuel, he insists that there must be a fixed period of time for the workers so that they will develop security for their job instead of feeling insecure, because an insecure employee will not be able to contribute his full efforts toward the job, which will not help us to achieve the objective of organization. So according to him, that stability and tenure of personnel must be there. So that was also a principle of Fuel. So he focused on fixed period of time. They should have stability of tenure. They should be given reasonable time to show the result. Next principle of Fuel, that is principle of initiative. Initiative states that workers should be encouraged to develop and carry out their plans for improvements according to fuel. Initiative means taking the first step with self motivation. It is thinking out and executing the plan. It is one of the traits of an intelligent person. Initiative should be encouraged, but it does not mean going against the established practices of the company for the sake of being different. A good company should have an employee suggestion system whereby initiative suggestions which result in substantial cost time reduction should be rewarded. So, according to Fuel, he insists that every worker by the manager must be encouraged to take initiative towards the plan what has been made. They must always get encouragement that they must start the work. Initiative means taking the first step with self motivation. So, thinking out and executing the plan. As we know, managers is having so many duties, so he is not able to provide employees with every time that what they have to do. So in this situation he must try to make the workers to take initiative according to the plan. It is an intelligent trait. It should be encouraged. It does not mean going against the established practices of the company for the sake of being different. Next principle of Fuel, esprit de corps. Management should promote a team spirit of unity and harmony among employees according to Fuel. Management should promote teamwork, especially in large organizations, otherwise objectives would be difficult to realize and will also result in a loss of coordination. A manager should replace I with we in all his conversations with workers to foster team spirit. This will give rise to a spirit of mutual trust and belongingness among team. Sorry for the disturbance. Management should promote teamwork, especially in large organizations, otherwise, objective would be difficult to realize and will also result in the loss of coordination. A manager should replace I with we in all his conversations with workers to foster team spirit. This will give rise to a spirit of mutual trust and belongingness among team members. It will also minimize the need for using penalties. So, that was the last principle by Fuel. That was the principle of esprit de corps. Esprit de corps states that management should promote a team spirit. As we know, in an organization, individual people are not working, there are a group of members, or we can say there is a team of members. When we are making the work to be done with team of members with the management, it is the duty of manager so to make a team spirit among the workers, and the team spirit must also between the manager and the employees, because they together will help to work according to the plan which is made by the top level managers. So this esprit de corps must be maintained in every organization, and this can be managed when manager replace the word I with we. It means he join all the person in the conversation and give the opportunity to all the people to take decisions regarding the work and can make good judgment. Thank you. Today's class is over with the principle of Fuel.